app. Oops.
Done watching na daw.
Done watching? You're not done watching.
Baka
Oh,
lang-
yeah.
Ano
Baka
lang eh.
Yes.
Sabay daw sa live. Pinahirapan daw sila, sabay nanonood. Saan daw siya manonood?
Litong-lito na.
Sa TikTok daw wala pang replay. Ang lamig, Chris. Parang jacket.
Sure.
Yung ginawin mong tsahin.
Got you.
Ang lamig.
Yung lamigin mong tiyang.
Pahiram ng blanket.
Kasi ko.
Ay, ito?
Blanket.
Ito na daw, Chris.
Ang kagabi.
Pahiram.
Or jacket na para sa
Ayan,
off mo na.
Yan, yung red. Pwede na yan, be. Pwede na yan, be. Ibalot na natin.
Huh?
Ang lamig. Go, Mr. B. Lamig naman ang aircon mo today for today's
Is it?
video.
May bagyo kasi.
Bakit dati hindi?
Gusto mo yakapsul?
Wow.
Ayun na.
Wow. Ah, para-paraan
At pagkakataon, magbabalik ba ang kahapon?
Happy na siya. Kahapon sa siya.
No, I wasn't.
Ganun siya.
No, I was not. Stop.
Nagtantrum
No.
siya, be. Wag siya.
Ay. Ano?
Oh, watch kayo sa TV. Dito tayo sa cellphone, tapos alam ko may
Pwede
mga TV
sabay.
kayo, tapos para sabay. Yeah. So, let's do...
Lamig.
Stick.
Multitask daw sila, watching and tap.
Okay, let's sing.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Ay, paano?
Charing lang.
Go! Ganda yan.
Yan naman yung mga ano,
Ayan.
pasok naman yung mga Latina girls.
Yes, I want that.
Oh, that song. That was the key.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some muffin in my door. 'Cause it will take a whole lot of medication.
live. That's what, Wednesday? Wednesday, August 26, I will be at Bar 9. Okay? Kasama ko ang 8-time Grammy Award winner, si Little Eddie. So if you guys are fans, thank you so much. Delicious. If you guys are fans of Little Eddie and the song Statue, he will be there singing it live. Some other good stuff. Napakagaling yan, guys. Sobra. I'm happy that he's here in the Philippines para... Why do I have a mic? I'm here that he's in the Philippines.
Kaya ba't ka ba nakamike?
Ba't ako naka-mic?
Ano? Nasa stage? Guys, nasa stage siya. Pasensya na po.
I'm so happy that he's here in the Philippines para marinig nyo yung kanta niya, yung boses niya na live. Grabe.
Pa-background.
Mararamdaman
Diba?
mo talaga yung
Ano?
soul. Ha?
May pa-background
Naging
music
yung
ka.
minus one.
Ay, may background music ka pa. Ang taray. Nakakaiyak.
Mararamdaman nyo.
Di ba?
Oh, go. Sabi mo ng with the background.
Because I promise that you guys are gonna have a good time tonight. I promise.
This I promise you.
Yung pala yun. Bigla palang iyahabol.
This I promise you. I've loved you forever. In lifetimes before.
Sana yung tanong namin.
Ano?
Wala nga kaming gasolina.
Kuha akong gasolina.
Magpagas ka na. Ano
Okay.
ka na? Empty, ano ka na?
Okay. So, is this where we lipat?
Change mo na. Ano mo?
Sayang naman number 1 ka ba?
Kaya nga, number 1 ka.
Yeah. But it's okay.
Okay lang. Huwag na. Mamaya na. Ano muna?
Ngayon.
Believe. I'll be back, guys. Excuse Miss B.
Oh my gosh.
Magawa full tank lang. Magawa
Look,
full
guys.
tank.
Mr. B.
No, this
Ginaw na ginaw. Yes. Guys, ang lamig dito sa condo ni Mr. B. Parang bagong linis yung Jercash. Nawawalan ako ng energy sa malamig na weather. Nagiging ano.
Nanghihina siya.
Gusto mo bang uminit?
Ah!
Hindi pumaldo ang gusto niya pumaldo.
Gusto mong uminit?
Ay! Parang...
Mom, can you sing All My Life, please? Ay, ang taray.
Ayan na, may
May request
request.
na All My Life.
Teka.
Mamaya pa yung set ko, guys. Later.
Oo.
Tsaka may kino-confirm pa tayo kung wala tayong trabaho bukas.
Parang ang Mama Mary na.
Kamukha niya si Mama Me.
Parang 18 na.
Oo.
May kino-confirm pa tayo kung walang trabaho bago magsaya.
Would you like this mixed with water?
Tapos mukha lang ilabas.
Chick?
Oh.
Ano,
You want
mukha.
apple juice?
Kamukha
Would
niya
you like
si
some apple
Mama.
juice?
Apple juice? Ano yan?
Mix
Apple
with
juice.
water.
Apple juice?
Apple juice.
Mixed with water?
Yes.
It's
Anong
really...
lasa?
It's just
Try
like-
it.
Apple juice?
It's just apple juice.
Try muna ni Jelay.
Try mo na.
Confirm muna natin, guys, kung may taping tayo o wala.
Powerful. I think.
Yes, mami, binaha. Okay, wala kaming taping. Yay! Walang word. Kasi nga baha. Nahirap kasing mag-taping ng baha, guys. Diba? So, wala akong work tomorrow. It's a pack up. Buti naman kasi baha.
You will always admit each word I say.
Eric.
Red Riding Hood.
Every single day. Oh,
Ganyan nga.
Chris, pwede makahiram ng charger po?
told
Ay,
you
taray.
I love you. This is all I know.
Pwede makahiram po ng charger po.
Ay, ito yata.
I'll never go far away.
Erike.
Ano ba yung Chris?
Ayun.
Ito kasi.
Nanadya naman to.
Dito ka lang, sabi ko, Diyos ko, tumutok eh.
Guys, na nang gugulat. Kakaluka ka naman.
Alam mo naman si si Nerviosa eh.
Oh, hindi ka ninervyos, sir. Tabi mo yung
Nervous,
speaker,
sabi ko eh.
Diba?
Nervous system.
Reset.
Pangit ang lasa ng apple juice, Chris.
Sige na,
I don't like apple juice. Daw?
How many times I told you I love you? This is all I know.
Ay! Sabay kukuha ng award, guys. Pero kung bakit ayoko umalis, no?
I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you.
Yan ba siya kumanta? Ano yan? Nagaya mo. Nilalakan mo na yung boses mo.
Nilalakihan ko lang yung boses ko.
Okay.
Wala ko nga isip. Antok na antok.
Ano ba yan? Ginagawa mo?
Ano gusto mo? Where?
Natulog siya nakaupo.
I know.
Piti-piti lang siya sa... Piti-piti lang sa harap ng camera.
Kasi I'm like a statue.
Naging statue siya. I like your style.
Nakita hindi gumagano, nakagano lang.
Nag-stop ako.
No, ikaw ay do... Ay, pala yan.
Ano be?
Di ba yata yun?
Di ba sobrang lamig?
That's kinaan.
Part 2 bukas guys, 8 a.m. 8 ba? 9? 9 ata? 9 a.m. tomorrow. Tsura. Natawa ko sa itsura nila Peanut. Bilis din naman mukha mo dito.
What the heck?
Ay. Wala mo.
Who's that guy?
Ako sa'yo.
Is that me? I did that? I did that?
Yes, ayun ang name mo.
Oh shoot.
Sino yan?
Humberto.
Ayun na sino ah.
Darwin, that's super iba pa yan.
Pwede mo lang. Ito na lupa.
Lubat.
You're an answer to my prayer.
Sabi ko, part-time fan.
Ha?
Part-time fan.
Alright guys, so that was the first set. Thank you guys for joining us.
Manood sila sa Red Up. Watch sila sa Red Up.
Jeez, 5M na.
Sana pera yung top, no?
Aha.
5M na!
Isang piso bawat tap.
Siguro ganun tayo natin.
Thank you, love.
Pati tayo,
Nakikinig
no?
pa lang.
Oo, nanginginig pa. Pati mga kasama.
Delicious. Jen, thank
May
you.
heart clickers at pistol.
May pati saan nga kasama.
Parang ilalagay mo lang
ganun.
tapos nagtitik-tik siya, babe.
I hope you guys enjoyed.
Oo.
Go to the